The crow. No.
Yeah, that chicken in that tree all the time. It's not in that tree no more.
Not anymore. They butchered it.
They butchered it. It's an
Well,
animal
it's a
stomach.
native chicken. I can't find anymore the blue bird. We call it here kingfisher. I don't know where did it go. By one there in the neighbor tree.
In that tree that was in.
It's beautiful. It's blue. Light blue. We call that kingfisher. Kingfisher.
Because the fishes.
Yeah, he just eat fish. Mother's plant. So beautiful.
We'll have bunch of plants from there too. See a place over there.
There's a yellow bird. I seen it. The yellow bird over there. Where are you? Come on, show it to me. I seen it there. Come on, yellow bird. Fly. Fly again. Where do you go? Oh, there you go. I see it. Okay. Beautiful.